This is the Ring Smart Lighting Floodlight wired. It does require the ring bridge, which is sold separately. It is powered through standard AC wiring. This is what it looks like. I have the one in black. On the bottom you can see the AC wires, black and white. This is the sensor and has a pivot ball which allows you to change the angle of the sensor. And here are the lights. You can also change the direction of these by twisting. It comes with a foam gasket which attaches to the back of the plastic mounting plate to keep water and debris out of your junction box. This is the plastic mounting plate. The package comes with a box of tools which includes a bag of screws, metal mounting bracket, wire nuts, hook, and screwdriver. There's a booklet with step-by-step instructions on how to install the floodlight in your home. So here's the junction box outside of my home. Here I've already installed the foam gasket and plastic mounting plate and I'm twisting in the wires. Overall the installation was pretty straightforward. After the floodlight is installed, I turn the power back on and pair it to my ring bridge. From there, it's ready to go. I have it set to where it turns on when it senses motion at night. The lights are pretty bright and overall, I love it.